Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Barbara from Barbara Bakes. Thank you for joining me today. We've got a fantastic one for you today. It's a gorgeous little recipe if you want something to give to a friend as a gift, or of course for yourself if you're on a ketogenic diet. And what we're going to do is a keto cheesecake, and actually they're mini keto cheesecakes, so they look really pretty when they're finished. To make the bases of our mini cheesecakes, I've melted some butter and I have my almond meal here. I'm going to pour the butter into the almonds and just mix them together. And once the almonds are all coated in the butter, I'm just going to take a spoonful, put it into my cupcake liners and just distribute it evenly. Just press it down, and actually if you wet your finger or your spoon, it will not stick. There we go, that looks quite nice. There we go. And I'll continue doing the rest, and then we'll start to make our topping. So there we have our bases all done, and they are going to go into a 350 oven, 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius or 160 if you have a fan oven, and for gas mark 4. And they're going to bake for around about 12 minutes, and then we're going to pull them out, let them cool, and put our chopped topping on top. The ingredients for our cheesecake topping is 225 grams of full-fat cream cheese, 1 free-range egg, the juice of a whole lemon, and 55 grams of erythritol. We also need a teaspoon of vanilla to give some depth to the flavour, and half a teaspoon of salt. So let's get going. I've put my cream cheese straight into my mixing bowl so I can start mixing it straight away, just to get it nice and smooth before we start adding the other ingredients. This won't take more than a few seconds. And I'm going to start streaming my sugar in. When I say sugar, I'm talking about erythritol. So I'm just going to mix that together with the cream cheese for a while, and I'm going to scrape down in between and then start adding the other ingredients. And then I'm going to start to add the eggs. My vanilla's going in, my salt is going in. Make sure it's nice and smooth, there are no lumps in the cream cheese. And I'm going to pour in my lemon juice. I'm whisking for maybe 40 seconds at the most, and it's done. These are our bases that have just come out of the oven, and we are going to just scoop the mix that we've just done on top of these. I filled an ice cream scoop, and I'm just going to add 1 scoop to each cupcake liner. It's quite, it's not a flat scoop, it's a nice rounded scoop that I'm putting in each liner. And then whatever's left I'll divide between all the cupcake papers. These we're going to make sure that they're really nice and cold before I take them out of the liners. I have a feeling this is going to be one of my favourite recipes. And just check them to make sure they're more or less the same height, and then you're good to go. We're going to pop them back into your oven and bake them for around 15 minutes. Cool them, pop them out, and top them with any fruit that you like. So in my bowl here I have some berries, mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries and blackberries. You can use whichever berries you want. You can take some nice big strawberries and slice them and place them on top. And they're really very pretty, so they make a lovely after dinner dessert. So anyone coming over who's sugar-free or on a keto diet, serve these, they'll love them. There we go. I think they look fantastic. I think you should try them. I think you should taste them. And I think you should let your friends and family know all about these fantastic recipes. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Put your notifications on because we're still continuing with the keto series, and also give us the thumbs up. Thank you.